Dear students, today we will read poem 1 and poem 2 written by Robert Frost. The title of the poem 1 is Dust of Snow. Stanza 1. Stanza 1. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The poet was sitting under a hemlock tree. The poet was sad. Suddenly, a crow appeared from nowhere and sits on the hemlock tree, which is covered with snow. When it sits on the hemlock tree, the dust of snow fell upon the poet's body. The crow and the hemlock tree represents sadness, stands for sadness. Stanza 2 has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. The poet was in a regret earlier. He spent lots of time in regret, but when the snow fell on his body, it changes his mood completely. Now he become happier. The word rued means held in regret. This means the poet was in a sad mood. Suddenly, the falling of the snow on his body, it changes his mood completely. Now he was happy, or he wanted to be happy for the rest of the day. There are a few questions I would like to discuss. What is a dust of snow? What does the poet say has changed his mood? How has the poet mood changed? The dust of snow is a particles of snow held together. When it falls on poet's body, it changes his mood completely from sadness to happiness. Now the poet was happy, or he wanted to be happy for the rest of the day because of the sight of the falling of snow on him, changed his mood, cheered his mood immediately. Second question, and it has three questions altogether. What are the birds that are usually used in the poem? Do you think a crow is often mentioned in the poem? What images come to your mind when you think of a crow? The birds that are usually used in the poem are nightingale, cuckoo, parrot, etc. A crow is rarely mentioned in the poem, as crow is a symbol of sadness and the poet was also in a sad mood. He chose crow instead of other birds. He chose hemlock tree because hemlock tree also stands for sadness. When a crow comes and sits on the terraces of our houses, it means some bad thing will happen, or sometimes we think that some guests are coming to our houses. Then the second question is, what are hemlock tree? Hemlock tree, and why does the poet write about some beautiful trees such as maple or oak or pine? Hemlock tree is a tree. It is a poisonous tree with white flower. The poet did not use the other plants because of the situation he was in. As he was sad, so he used hemlock tree instead of other tree. He wanted to find happiness even in sadness. Then the question is, how do the crow and the hemlock represent joy or sorrow? Why does the dust of snow that the crow sex of hemlock tree stand for? The crow and the hemlock tree represent sadness. It is snowing. The dust of snow on top of the tree fell on the poet's body. The poet is standing under a hemlock tree. He was connected with poisonous qualities. The sudden arrival and the falling of a snow has completely changed his mood. The poet was cheerful now, and it can be considered that cheerfulness to the mood and gladdens the heart of the poet. In that way, the poem Dust of Snow has been completed. We will learn another poem in our next class. Thank you very much.